In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit bullets, lists, and multi-level lists in PowerPoint. Whether you're polishing a presentation or starting from scratch, leveraging bullet points and lists can help you organize your content more effectively. Let's delve into how you can utilize these features to enhance your slides. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already installed the software, make sure you do so, or alternatively use the online version if that's your preference. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. If you don't have a presentation ready yet, feel free to open a new one so you can follow along. Next, pinpoint the particular slide where you want to add or edit your text. Click directly on the text box where you intend to insert the bullet points or lists. This activates the text box, making it ready for your input. Now that you've selected the text box, navigate to the Home tab on the toolbar at the top of your screen. This tab contains various options for formatting your slides and is where you'll find what you need to work with bullets and lists. In the Home tab, look for the bullets option within the paragraph group. By clicking on this, you'll be able to insert basic bullet points into your text. Watch how your text automatically transforms into a list, each point marked by a bullet. This is a simple but powerful way to make information more digestible and visually appealing for your audience. Now, if you need to further structure your list using multi-level lists, you can easily indent list items. To promote an item to a subpoint in your list, simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. This indents the item, aligning it under a main bullet point and creating a multi-level hierarchy that can convey a lot of information neatly. Conversely, if you need to take a subpoint back to a main point level, press Shift followed by Tab, and it will move back to the left. By using these tips, you can seamlessly create organized presentations that communicate your message clearly. Structuring your information with bullet points and multi-level lists not only makes your presentation look professional, but also guides your audience through the key points you want to make. Practice these steps and you'll find creating structured, engaging slides in PowerPoint becomes second nature. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.